Have you been avoiding dessert just because you have diabetes? Stop it! I don't want you to avoid dessert anymore because you don't have to. You absolutely can have dessert with diabetes, and today I'm going to show you just how to do it, so stay tuned. So if you've been avoiding dessert just because you have diabetes, I want you to know that you don't have to stop eating what you love. You just have to be smart about it. Right? So if you've been avoiding dessert, let me know. Comment below and tell me if you've been avoiding dessert, because I want you to put an end to that right now. I get it. I get that eating dessert, eating foods that taste sweet can feel scary when you have diabetes, but just because a food tastes indulgent and it tastes sweet doesn't mean that it's going to spike your blood sugar. In order to enjoy the desserts you love, you just have to know how to make a few simple tweaks to your recipes. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So one of the main reasons that desserts spike blood sugar levels is because they contain so much added sugar. So this added sugar is coming in, it's going directly into your bloodstream, and it's spiking your blood sugar. But what you can do is, in any recipe that you love, you can replace added sugars with pureed fruit. When you use mashed banana or even pureed prunes, you're replacing that sugar with something that's naturally sweet. It contains natural sugars but no added sugars, has fewer carbs, and it has more fiber. So you're getting a lot of that same sweet taste, you're getting the same beautiful texture of the recipe, but a lot less carbs and less impact on blood sugar. One of my favorite recipes you can check out is my chocolate chip banana breakfast cookies. And what I did here was I took out added sugar and I replaced it with mashed banana. So it still tastes like a traditional chocolate chip cookie. It's delicious, I love it, but it's so much better for blood sugar and it's lower in calories too. Now, if you want that recipe, click below, because in that link, I am giving you a copy of my ebook, 25 low-carb desserts you can make in minutes, absolutely free, and that recipe's in there, so make sure you click that link. Now, another problem with desserts is many times they're packed full of refined flours. That white flour that's digested rapidly spikes blood sugar. So what you want to do is swap out refined flours for whole grain flours instead. And when you do that, you can still have a great tasting recipe, but you're reducing the amount of refined carbs, you're usually increasing the fiber content, and that's going to help that dessert get digested more slowly and give you more even blood sugar. And one of my favorite recipe examples of this is my skinny cinnamon roll mug cake recipe. This one's just probably my favorite dessert of all time. But what I did here was, instead of using white flour, I used rolled oats. And rolled oats they're low in glycemic index, the scale, so they have minimal impact on blood sugar, but they also have a fiber in them that's been shown to lower bad cholesterol. So you get a win-win, and you get something that tastes like the Cinnabon at the mall, but way less carbs and calories. Now, if you love ice cream, a really easy trick when you're making any kind of dessert is to take Greek yogurt and freeze that instead. So in my Greek yogurt ice cream sandwich recipe, which you can grab again at that link below, what I did was I took out the ice cream and I replaced it with Greek yogurt. I just put it on the cookies, I froze it, and it comes out tasting just like an ice cream sandwich, but with way less carbs, way less added sugars, and a lot more protein. So it's a much better for you dessert. So now that you know how to make any dessert healthier for diabetes, what do you think you're going to make over? What's your favorite recipe that you want to see made more friendly for diabetes management? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you want more great ideas, click that link below and get my free ebook, 25 low-carb desserts you can make in minutes. You're not going to be disappointed. So click that link now. And if you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video.